Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL One S 2021 and today I would like to show you how you can use app lock on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Now you need to select Security and Biometrics, then scroll down again, tap on App Lock and pick one of the login methods for your apps. I will go with patterns, I have to click on it, draw it, tap Next, draw it again, and answer this security question. You can also click on it, pick one of those, or choose custom question and create your own. Then click OK and remember to answer it. When you're done, tap on Next, choose Confirm, and tap on Add Apps. Finally, you can select apps that you want to lock. I will go with Chrome, so I have to click on this area over here and tap at the top right corner. So now when I go back and try to access Chrome, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!